Published Tuesday, May 29, 2018. Low-temperature solder pastes market by HTF MI provides the market size information and market trends along with factors and parameters impacting it in both short and long term. The study provides a 360-degree view and insights, outlining the key outcomes of the industry. The study of the low-temperature solder pastes market by HTF MI provides the market size information and market trends along with factors and parameters impacting it in both short and long term. The study provides a 360-degree view and insights, outlining the key outcomes of the industry. These insights help the business decision-makers to formulate better business plans and make informed decisions for improved profitability. In addition, the study helps venture capitalists in understanding the companies better and make informed decisions. Some of the key players in the low-temperature solder pastes market are FCT Solder, Nordson Corporation, Indium Corporation, Alpha Assembly Solutions, Koki Company Limited, AIM, Nihon Superior. Read detailed index of full research study at https://www.htfmarketreport.com/reports/1181413-global-low-temperature-solder-pastes-sales-market-1 market forecasts are provided for each of the following submarkets, product type and by application, and user categories by product types: rosin-based pastes, water-soluble pastes. South America, Middle East. The highest. New market players are beginning to emerge and are accelerating their transition in low-temperature solder pastes market. Any query or specific requirement? Ask to our expert at https://www.htfmarketreport.com/enquiry-before-by/1181413-global-low-temperature-solder-sales-market. The real-time assessment of the market is an integral part of our market sizing and forecasting methodology. Our industry experts and panel of primary participants have helped in compiling relevant aspects with realistic parametric estimations for a comprehensive study. What's in the offering? The report provides detailed information about the usage and adoption of low-temperature solder pastes in various applications, types and regions, country. With that, key stakeholders can find out the major trends, drivers, investments, vertical players, initiatives, government initiatives toward the product adoption in the following years, along with the details of commercial products available in the market. Moreover, the study provides details about the major challenges that are going to have an impact on the market growth. Additionally, the report gives complete details about the business opportunities to key stakeholders to expand their business and capture revenues in the specific verticals. The report will help companies interested or established in this market to analyze the various aspects of this domain before investing or expanding their business in the low-temperature solder pastes market. Buy this research at https://www.htfmarketreport.com/buy-now ? Format = 1. This article, you can also get individual chapter-wise, section or region-wise report version like North America, Europe or Asia. HTF Market Report is a wholly owned brand of HTF Market Intelligence Consulting Private Limited. HTF Market Report, global research and market intelligence consulting organization, is uniquely positioned to not only identify growth opportunities but to also empower and inspire you to create visionary growth strategies for futures, enabled by our extraordinary depth and breadth of thought leadership, research, tools, events and experience that assist you for making goals into a reality. Our understanding of the interplay between industry convergence, megatrends, technologies and market trends provides our clients with new business models and expansion opportunities. We are focused on identifying the accurate forecast in every industry we cover so our clients can reap the benefits of being early market entrants and can accomplish their goals.